This is the first outcome of the shirt. It's perfectly even. Look at that. Look at that curve at the bottom there. You see that curve? See how that one has no curve? So they're identical. The stringer's going. Not going the best. But it's the first one. What are you gonna do?
I think it's going pretty good.
Going pretty good. Okay. So
we'll see if this cut.
I just don't know. I don't know if I want to make it more like that or more like.
It's gonna roll.
You know?
It's gonna roll.
I mean, a sharp angle doesn't roll.
I would say keep this here, and then kind of like maybe more gradual,
and then just a little more.
You on video?
All right. That's it. Oh God, dude, put this thing on. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, where even is it? Got it. Oh my God. Bruh. I can't see anything with this here. Bruh, it's like a cozy for my hands.
You should wait.
Should I?
Yeah. You should wait for shit.
Oh fuck, it's already tearing there.
Shit.
Yo, imagine I deadlift with my belt on, I go to stand in it, and I'm like doing some Tarzan shit with only one. Oh God. I'm definitely gonna be it. I'm gonna walk up to the front desk with this on, be like, can I get a new shirt?
You should. Boy, you're barely wearing your shirt. No wonder you're cold. Is that
Simple
lean?
things in life.
Is that lean?
Rocks right here. These rocks just gave me some motivation.
What?
To get some bold shoulders. Sorted. So you can see me. Okay, we just took the truck cap off. Well, actually, we just unhitched it. I guess unlatched it. There's like 4 things on the inside, like 4 clamps. Just took those off. Now we're gonna pop the whole thing off and put on a tonneau cover. So we didn't know that it was going to be stuck down so much. It's like the guy who bought the truck from like super glued it down or something. Oh my God. There we go. The guy super glued it down. I heard it. Not coming off. Alright, so he's going over to his neighbors to ask if he can borrow their heat gun. He doesn't even think they're home. Hopefully they are, because we're trying to get this done today. And honestly, we thought it would be like a 10-minute job. And it's already been like at least 20 minutes. You know you're Canadian when you work on a truck outside. And it's minus 18 out. Alright, progress support. we've made no progress. The heat gun. Yeah. Taking advantage of being out here in the snow for the next like forever. Can't even see what I'm doing. Well, those are gone in there. Creatine. Oh yeah, and still no progress on the truck. What? It's still stuck. Alright. Let's try again. Yeah? Like the whole side?
This whole side, yeah.
Shit.
You see it?
No. A little cold. So before this thing pops off, if it ever does, I'm gonna get a before shot. This is what she looks like before. Yeah, it's like summer over here. Yeah, that whole side's good.
Fuck, no wonder.
What?
There's like fucking tape shit there.
Tape?
It's like epoxy shit.
Fuck. Oh yeah. Oh bro. Oh, it's coming. Oh, let's go. You got half off.
I just want to snap it.
What, this shit?
Oh, yeah, I'm inside. Okay, hold that. Oh, pull up.
Bruh, no, it's falling. This thing's heavier than we thought it was, bro. Alright. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what happened like 20 minutes ago? We've been out here forever. Trey was in that back corner there. He was like, wait, you're doing what I was just doing? Popped off this side. Couldn't get that side though. So I gave it a go. I knocked off a little bit more, like a foot extra. So like the whole thing was lifting too. So this guy climbs up here, a little bit more weight on the other side. And you know, I got this side off. Tight. Oh, this is a trucker.
I don't know how we're gonna put this out.
This hurts like a butt cheek on a stick.
I don't know how we're gonna get it back there.
You want to put it down for now or what?
What?
Oh, fuck.
Oh fuck, please don't put that open.
What?
Please turn that down.
The little tool thing?
Yeah.
No, it's closed.
Okay, boy.
Yeah, that's all she's moving over.
Alright. Move this to back.
Here's the after. Or I guess here's the during. Oh, it looks so much better.
Oh, it's sick.
That's clean. And then here's the absolute final product with the tunnel cover. Or what is it? No, truck. No, yeah, tunnel cover on.
Music's so quiet today. It's just quiet in here. It's like yesterday. Yesterday was really quiet too. You ate. What's in there? Is that Clark?
Yeah, you're probably right.
What's in there? What's in there? What's in there? What is that?
Looks like puke.
What
Looks
is
like
it?
liquid puke.
What is it?
Orange, but you know.
What is it? What is it? What
It's
is
not
it?
pre. It's not good pre.
I thought you didn't like it, so it's not good. So you like it?
Hold on. I'm getting serious right now. I'm getting serious.
He's going to get deep.
That last stuff I had, that buy that shit. It will
Which one?
fuck you up. The one I had last, it was like solid. I had to like scrape it, the protein scoop one.
Oh.
Do not buy that one.
Why? What's so bad about it?
It fucked me up.
How?
Because every serving I took had like 640 milligrams caffeine.
Yeah.
I did this stuff before I'm taking right now used to mess me up with like one scoop.
Yeah.
I like wouldn't even be able to lift. I'm taking like 2 scoops out of this stuff now and barely feeling it. Because as soon as I started taking the other stuff, I had to take more and more and more to keep feeling it. And it was like, it quickly escalated. Now I feel like nothing. It's got better every rep. Dad bod 2016.
We're making the dad bod?
Dad bod 2016.
Is that what we're making with this weight?
Well, low key with the belt, not actually. Just in case people thought, you know, new subscribers. 58. Thanks, guys. Made those yourself, no. It's so bad.
You goofed up on it, man.
I goofed up bad. As soon as I made like these first cuts, I knew it was gonna be a bad one. I was like, look how much stuff's rolling already. Like it. You look like you're a stripper or some shit. She was going good, and you're like, oh my god, here's keep going. It feels so hard. Why is this in the front? Oh, this should have been. See the cut to the back here. Okay. That was
You don't have
probably
any
the worst.
chest striations there, so you can't.
Oh, you have like 3. Nice. 3. On each one though?
Huh?
On each one or together?
No, 3 on your right one. Your left one's fucking gone.
Because I wasn't fucking squeezing it.
There's like a couple half ones.
Count it. You like my stringer? Self-made. Yeah. Thanks. Actually, you want to hit core off here? I'm kidding. I haven't hit core in 9 years.
Good.
Back. Those for the bros. For the bro. Okay. Imagine I actually do a giveaway. Actually do a giveaway.
That'd be lit. With the cutoffs that we make?
Bro, I would. If I get like, what? I don't want to say like 100 subs. I want to say like, 1,000. But that's gonna be a while. You know? I hit 200 subs. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. I don't know. I'll think of something. I'll like custom make a stringer. You know, sign it and send it off. You gotta sub to be entered.
And comment and like.
Not gonna like. You know, when I hit 2, let me know.
You've already hit 2. Yep. And there's nothing there. Oh! Okay, chill. Take a deep breath.
I get big.
It's not working for you.
What are you saying? I'm filling up.
What do you mean? How does that hurt more in...
It's like painful over here versus like.
Oh, I thought you meant like in the shirt.
Yeah, the shirt's like cutting off my. It's so tight, it's cutting off my circulation.
Okay, wait, look.
Stand like this.